What's the meaning of amorous? Amorous. 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 Amorous.
The word amorous typically refers to a feeling of strong attraction, love or desire toward someone or something. It often describes a romantic or sexual attraction toward someone, and suggests a willingness to pursue such a relationship. It can also be used to describe a general sense of passion or enthusiasm toward something, such as an activity or hobby. Overall, the term amorous connotes a heightened level of emotional intensity and excitement that is often associated with matters of the heart and intimate relationships.